This is Lorraine Aguilar, founder of Working Harmony, and this is One Gratitude, One Small Success. I look forward to seeing what your gratitudes are for the day, so please type them into the comment box. I'll share mine with you. I'll play you a little classic from Tom Petty, and then scroll through your responses for some shout outs. So, first of all, happy Friday. We made it. We made it to the end of the week. Oh, and I'm glad to be able to close this week with you. So, my gratitude today is for cooking, because now that I'm living alone, well, I've been living alone, but now that I'm living completely in an unshared house, I'm noticing that the difference in how I cook for myself, and I'm wanting to put more time and care into the meals that I prepare. I grew up in a culture where food is love. And normally that's expressed by cooking for others. And so my gratitude is that I'm learning how to put that same love in cooking for myself. And it's not easy because I'm a really pragmatic, efficient, loving person, so it's just easy for me to do the simple thing. But I'm stretching myself to put a little more care, a little more love, and a little more patience into preparing something really special. So, and if you're wondering what I prepared for myself yesterday, it was nopales tacos made from cactus. So, what is yours as I serenade you? It's alright if you love me. It's alright if you don't. I'm not afraid of you running away, honey. I got this feeling you won't. Ain't no use in pretending. Your eyes give you away. Something inside you is feeling like I do. We said all there is to say. Baby, break down. Go ahead and give it to me. Break down, wanna take me through the night. Break down, I'm standing here, can't you see? Break down, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Oh my. La 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 la. La 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 Ooh, dusting that one off. Yay, well, I want to welcome our viewers, Klaas from the Netherlands and Oluf from the Bay Area of California. So I do see a gratitude from Oluf, who says, my gratitude is to myself for having done well in an interview that ended 30 minutes ago. I was very apprehensive about it. Oh my gosh. High five, Oluf. I love that you're grateful to yourself, because it's really easy to overlook that. So wonderful, and I'm glad it went well. Man, that was just 30 minutes ago, so it must be still very fresh for you. I really hope that it turns out extremely well for you and that you get just the perfect opportunities. So thank you for sharing that. All right, and we got a little hello from Klaas from the Netherlands, who says, I have shared my gratitude by bringing flowers to people who have helped me. It was so much fun to do. Oh, that's beautiful. I can't imagine anyone who wouldn't enjoy receiving flowers. What a beautiful gift. And it's funny, I recently heard someone quoting like their grandmother or something, saying, "Don't bring me flowers when I'm dead. Bring me flowers now." And so, class, you're doing that. Yay! Well, thank you so much for sharing your gratitudes. And for anyone who's watching the recorded version of this, you're still invited to join us in this practice, even if we don't see what your gratitudes are explicitly. Just know that this is a community of mindfulness where, we hold each other's gratitudes in mind and in heart as we go through these days. So, just a reminder, today, Friday, is the last 5 p.m. Pacific time practice that we're going to do about acknowledging the small steps. So if you can join me tonight at 5 p.m. California time, we'll go out with a bang with our TGIF last acknowledgement of small successes. And then we'll continue next week with this portion, the 10 a.m. Pacific time gratitude practice. So at that, may we conclude this week and begin this last day of our week, or for you class, ending it with complete kindness in our hearts and in our expressions towards others. May we also take good care of ourselves, as I'm trying to do in putting love into cooking, and in whatever ways work for you as well, to resource yourselves. And may we all be ambassadors of humanity rising in these powerful times. Thank you so much, and hope to see you at 5 p.m.